Right everyone, I'm back. Now, I've made this one before and I've got a tutorial on how I made that one. But I've just made this one using fabric. It's folded fabric and we call it the Ruffled Cameo. So I'm going to share with you how I've done that one using fabric. This was just using laces and trims. And I need to just finish this around the edge there. Stick that to one side. Now I've cut a strip ready, which is for the ruffle. And what you've got to do, it's about 2 inches wide. We're just going to stitch that into a ruffle. Now, just gather that up. It's an oval you're making, not a circle. So you do have to give it, you know, leave some give in it. See, like that. Okay, so I'm going to do it that way. In fact, I'm going to poke that inside, I think. Because I can. And then I've just got that one seam. Right, tuck that out the way, mate. And then I'm just going to glue that section down. Poke that in. I think Raymond's watching a Western. You can hear him. Okay. So now we've got that. And then we spread these about, just like you do normally. Move that out of the way. And then we just need a cameo. Do you know what? You could also just use that as a flower, you know, as a centre. They're just flat black ones. That looks quite nice, that actually. I might use that one. No. Oh, you could just use a flower, look. No, I think I'll stick to what I've got. I'm just going to use a black one. Why not? It can go on a page somewhere. So, once I've got this relatively where I want it, there's the join. I'm going to hold that down. And pop that on there. And then just move that around so that I've got it even-ish. Like that. Do you know what? If you're making a handbag, you could do that like for the clutch opening. Wouldn't that be great? Just a plain black handbag and then have that as an opening, you know, that you pull the bag open with. You can do anything with them and they look great. So now what I'm going to do is put some trim around that as well. Let's just make sure we can get that right. There we go. Now, oh, doesn't that look pretty? Something very simple by adding. Now, I do have some of these. See, I sit and make these flowers all the time. And even though it's pink, I could put something on there like that. But I really need to do one that's a different colour. So, I'm just going to have a look and see what we've got here. Right, I settled on this one. And it is bigger than that one, of course. It all depends on how tightly you bring that together. And I left mine with quite a wide gap. That one's covered. So let's get a little bit of tassel trim. I'm going to do the same with this one, I think. That's what I had before. Oh, no, not that. Ready-made one, Fee. Come on. Let's have a look. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is pop this onto the back. Like so. Like that. Oh, that's pretty. Take some felt, and you kind of like want an oval. Like that. Like that. Like I say, I can put that on a hairband, a slide. That's really pretty. And they are so simple to make. So I hope you've enjoyed that. You know, just use what you've got. Look at what you've got and see what you can do with it. That's the whole point. You can make these with anything. You know, I've done a pictured one, the cameo one. I can put a tassel on that one if I want to enhance it, and then that one. And that on a page, just as it is, it's simple. Simplicity, that's what I mean to say. The simplicity of it. Or, you know, I haven't put lace around it. I don't, because it's wider, I don't think it needs it. And I like to have something different all the time. I don't like them all to be the same. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you next time. Bye bye for now.